Next up, we're going to be looking over this Honda CBR650F in sort of dark silver. Quite a clean thing this, so let's have a look over it. It's a 65 plate, 2015 I think. Starting off at the front, it's got the MRA screen. Front end looks nice and clean. Mudguard's nice and fresh. Front tyre's good. ABS model. Clean overall this, but let's have a look anyway. Paneling's all good. No signs of it being dropped. Aquapovic system on there. Engine bay's nice and clean. Looks like it's been well kept, this thing. Slight little scratch just on that black plastic there. Purely cosmetic. Tank looks nice and fresh. Front seat, rear seat cowl. Back wheel looks good. No signs of it being ridden in the rain or weather this. There's no rust, no corrosion on it. So it must have been kept indoors. Back tyre's good. Left hand side, chain and sprocket look good. Again, all the engine bay is nice and clean, no corrosion. Panels nice and fresh. Been well looked after, you can tell. Let's have a quick look on the dash. So mileage wise, let's see if I can pull it up. Total mileage is 8742. Let's have a listen.